2009 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Got really nice wheels. Got factory converters there and there. Then it got the dreaded third cat that everybody hates, but it's there. So we gotta have it, keep it. What we got done on it is we put an HP2 Flowmaster Outlaw right there. He didn't want too much drone, but he wanted some sound. And then we continued the tailpipe. It's 2 and 3, like almost 3-inch tailpipe, 2.5 into a 5-inch tip roll. Today's not my day, guys. A 5-inch roll tip right there to complete the look. Came out looking really pretty, really nice. We'll have a link in the description for this muffler. Again, it's a Flowmaster HP2 Outlaw series. It's got like special baffling inside to take the raspiness away and just keep a really nice deep tone. A lot of race cars and race car drivers use it on the track. It just gives it a distinctive sound. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Oh yeah. See how it's deep without any raspiness? Give it gas again. That sounds really, really nice. Oh, I love it. Again. Your sound decibels. At about 4,000 RPM, it went up to 98. He didn't want it loud. He just wanted a really nice deep tone. And we accomplished that for him, hopefully. There's the muffler. And it's supposed to not drone too much either, so I'll have him let us know later on. But there's the muffler that we cut off. Man, that sounds good. You like it? It's just nice and deep. Yeah, we will. Yeah. Oh man, that's nice. Again? That's beautiful. Heck yeah. Thanks for the knowledge. Yeah, anytime, bro. Let you guys hear them. GMC Sierra Z71. So 2019 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Got a nice lift kit on it. Still got less than 12,000 miles on it. Factory converters. Wise into a single. Got a flex pipe on it, 3-inch pipe. We continued that 3-inch all the way back. We did a muffler delete on it. Right there, took both flaps out. There's the muffler. You always want to take the flaps out. Gives it a little bit better sound. Then it comes factory dual. And it's got these sound dampers, I guess they call them. On each side, they take the place of the resonators. That's what they look like right there. If you want it louder, you always take those off, but he doesn't want it too loud. Just give it a nice deep tone. There's the muffler delete right there. There's the original muffler, and it has a flap on it. You see the flap? There's a flap in there. We always cut it off. Gives a little bit more noise. It's a SLE edition with a muffler delete. Better? You want more? Gotta take those sound dampers off, the 3 on each side. They're like resonators basically. Again. It's pretty loud. You gotta remember it's sitting still. Give it gas. It reached 100 in sound decibels. Go ahead. for a week, see how you like it. If you want it louder, you can always come back, which we cut those out too. But I always have people drive it first. Get line 2. Go ahead. GMC Sierra. It's got a nice lift kit from Brian's Motorsports. Shout out to them. Let you guys hear on the inside. 2015 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it, something different. It's got high flow factory cats there and there. Then it was into a single. Then it's got a third converter there. And what we put on it is Black Widow neighbor haters, and added a Y pipe, 2 1/4 tailpipes into 5" by 18 roll tips there and there. And the Black Widow, if you guys want it, you'll find a link in the description. BW0012-25 Black Widow neighbor haters 6" right there. I know it's upside down. I'll fix it. Anyways, here it is. There's the 5" tips. You want them nice and tucked in, so we tucked them in for them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. So the fun thing about having a truck, everybody wants to borrow it when they're moving. Yeah. Go ahead. Decibels again. It's about 103. Not too bad. Go ahead and back it up. That's the sound you were looking for?
Yes.
Awesome. Leave us a 5-star review online, man. We'd really appreciate it. Yes, sir. Silverado LTZ. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Z71 5.3 liter V8. Got converters, original, factory. Got the dreaded third cat, then 3" all the way back. We did a muffler delete earlier in the year, about 2 weeks ago. And now we just did a resonator delete right there. into, and it still has his Chevy bow tie tip. See the Chevy bow tie on top? Chevy original tip. There's the resonator we cut off. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Straight pipe, single. Better? Give it gas. Again. Sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. So when it peaks, it's about 105. That's not bad. Go ahead and back it out. Silverado. '20 GMC Sierra 5.3 liter V8. Really nice truck. And well, we got something special on this one for you guys and girls. Got factory converters, and they don't come in the 2020s. They don't come with the third converter. So guess what? We can true dual it all the way back and back and back and back, and then we can go forward again. All the way forward. Just like that. So as you guys can see, it's true dual into 3.5 inch by 18 or by 12s, sorry, tips. Right there, angle cut. So it came out really beautiful. If you guys say otherwise, please leave it in the comments. Let us know what you guys think of the sound in the comments. Appreciate it. Hope you guys like it. And hit that subscribe button. Wow. Sound decibels. That sounds sick. We cut all that stuff off all the time. Sierra. Let you guys hear on the inside.
Definitely a lot quieter. They upgraded the sound insulation inside the cabs for 2020.